Welcome to the Super Duper Fun Station.
Hey guys, today on Super Duper Fun Station, we're going to open a brand new Barbie Club Chelsea Doll. This is going to be a lot of fun. She is one of our biggest toys. Look how big she is. You see how small the Skye figurines look and the Mickeys and Minnies? She is huge. Oh, and look, over here we have a cat block. What does cat start with? Cat starts with C. Can you say cat? What sound does a cat make? Meow, meow, meow. And this is the letter L. Say L. L is words like lucky and last and licorice. Licorice. And this is the number 2. Can you say 2? 2 is 1 plus 1. This is the letter C. It is a red C. What are some words that start with C? Look, cat starts with C. And one more. The letter G. Say G. G is words like goat and grass. And what else? Girl. Just like the girl we're about to open. One more. The letter Y. Y has words like yo-yo and yes and yam. What's another Y word? How about yak? Yak. Want to hear a yak sound? Ha! That's funny. Woohoo! I think we're ready to open the toy Barbie Club Chelsea Doll. Yay! We're ready! Woohoo! Oh no, she knocked over all the toys. Oh, they're going crazy. Oh no! Oh, now, take a look at this box on the side. We have a picture of Barbie and some of her friends. See? That looks nice. And then on the back, right here, you can see the Club Chelsea. Club Chelsea and all of her friends. This looks really cool.
Let's open it.
Yeah, let's open it up.
First, let me open it.
Woo! Now remember, friends, if you ever get help taking a toy out of a box and you need scissors, make sure you ask an adult for help. Alright, Andrew, can you do it? Yep. Okay, there you go. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, we're going to open up a Club Chelsea doll. Ooh, isn't this just wonderful? Look at her little shoes. They've got little bunnies on them, and they're pink with sandals. Super cute. This is a cool little box. So I'm going to try to remove the plastic so we can use this as a playset. Okay. I like that. Oh, we can have so much fun in here playing pretend. Look at this. Oh, look at my pretty yard. Hey, Minnie! That is a pretty yard we have. Oh, look, we're a family. Oopsie. We'll put her in the video in just a minute. We've got Minnie and Mickey. Minnie has trouble standing up. And don't forget about little Mickey and little Minnie. Okay.
Hi, guys.
Hey, wow, you are so tall. You're so tall we can't even see your face.
Why?
Because you're so big. Here, let's say hi to the camera. Cheese. Wow, that is a nice doll. Look at that. Look, she has a watermelon dress. See the watermelon seeds? And let's look at her shirt. Look. And this is a nice feature. You see? Her head rotates like this. Arms twist like this. That's nice. And even her legs move up and down. Here you go.
Hi, guys. Do you have a test gun?
I have a question.
What?
How did you get so tall?
That's because I ate so I just realized.
Oh, did you eat lots of watermelon?
Yeah.
That's so funny. This pup's gotta fly. Let's take to the sky. Whee!
What is happening to me?
I think because you're so tall, it's really hard for you to stand up sometimes.
Yeah.
But we've got you a little watermelon hairband. Look, it fits perfect. Wow, she is all about watermelon. And look, she even has a watermelon ice pop. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, now, would you like to know what we're up to today?
Yeah.
What's our mission today?
You have to this lesson. My name is Chelsea.
Chelsea, that's a great name. Let's stick with Chelsea. Everyone say, hi, Chelsea. Hi. Wow, you're so get tall. Hi, Chelsea. You want to be my friend?
Yeah, I like the watermelon.
Oh, if I eat lots of watermelon, will I get tall?
You want to see a water toy?
Oh, I'm a water toy? See, look. I'm really squishy. Oh, that's a nice squish. She squishes all over. And when you put her in the bathtub, she fills up with water. Oh, hi, Chelsea. You want to be our new friend?
Yeah, look, I have my bunny suit on.
Oh, you do? Oh, let's show the camera. Oh, look at those cute bunny shoes. Oh, we love them. Yeah, they're so nice. Oh, Chelsea, you want to meet another friend? This is Minnie. Oh, hi, Chelsea. Ooh, you have a pretty pink dress like me.
Yeah, it has watermelon.
Ooh, mine has polka dots.
Yeah, and mine has watermelon.
Now, on your dress, I see some green. You've got some green lace. And you've got some pink. Right?
And white?
And white. Very good. Let's take a look at that white. There's a little white there. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi. My name is Baby Mickey. You know why?
Why?
Because I am so small.
Here's my little popsicle.
I think your popsicle is bigger than I am. Ha! Wow, have you ever seen a popsicle that big?
Oh, yeah, I did. It's small.
I saw one on Zootopia. Do you remember when they bought the giant popsicle from the elephant sweet shop? I remember.
Well, mine is a little.
Ooh, you want to meet someone else?
Oh, yeah, Pluto.
Oh, Chelsea, that means he likes you. Oh, he's licking your shoes. He must like bunnies. Man, you are such a cool new friend.
Yeah, that's my popsicle.
Oh, that is so silly. That is so funny. Hey, before we go, do you guys remember what our special letters and numbers were?
Oh, let's keep it just busy.
Let's just keep doing stuff? You want to keep busy? Oh no! We forgot to introduce one friend. Who is it?
Teacup.
You forgot to meet Teacup. Oh, it is so nice to meet you, Chelsea.
Are you so tiny?
Oh, I am so little. Guess what? I am from Whisker Haven Tales.
Why?
Because all of the little pets from all the princesses gathered together in Whisker Haven to have fun together. And look how pretty I am. I even have my crown. But I can't find my teacup. Do you know where my teacup is?
Teacup?
Do you know? Where's my little cup for my tea party?
Let me go find it.
Will you go find it for me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. I would be forever grateful. Here's another dog. Do you know where the teacup is? No, I don't. But I'll help you look. Oh, he's trying to sniff where the teacup is. We found the teacup. Look, our little pup sniffed the teacup. Here it is, nice and small.
I gave it to Teacup.
Okay, there's your own. There you go. Okay, awesome. Let's stand up all of our characters, and they can drink up a little bit of tea. I think they want some tea. Here, we can even put them in our new play area. We can put Mickey in here.
Let me come over here.
And just give Mickey a little bit of tea. I'm pouring some tea. Here's some tea for you, Mickey. That is so good. Yum, yum, yum. And here is baby Minnie.
Oh, I want some tea. I want some tea.
You want some too?
Yeah.
Here you go. Oh, she loves her tea. And don't forget about Skye. Skye wants some tea.
Sea Patrol guy wants some tea.
Oh, Sea Patrol Skye wants some tea. Once they've had tea, let's put them in here. Wow, look at all the toys we're getting in here. Who else wants tea?
Me.
Oh, we gave Minnie some tea.
Me.
Oh, the tea was so good. Got another one. Will they all fit? What do you think? Oh, we got one more. We gotta fit. We gotta fit. Teacup. Oh, Teacup. She fell down. She's having a hard time standing up. She's so tired from all the tea that she served. There, she can lean against Skye. And don't forget our little teacup.
Hey guys, let me take my silver.
Okay. Alright, you can. We're gonna let you rest. Now, we're still gonna play, but you guys can play, and we're going to play too, but we're gonna say bye today for now.
No, let's go play.
Oh, we're gonna play, but we're gonna say bye to all of our friends out there on our channel. Bye-bye. I hope you liked our new Chelsea and Friends Barbie doll. She loves watermelon. Okay, well, one more thing we have to do. We have to remember our special letters, numbers, and object today. Everyone say cat.
Cat.
Cat. Yep. This is a cat, C-A-T.
Let's go again.
It starts with the letter C.
I need to rest for a little bit.
You do.